Tracey Wilson, the host of SolidWorks World. Tracey, welcome.
Thank you. Good morning. Thanks, Jeremy. We're excited to be here. Yeah, we've got our first general session starting at 8:30 a.m. So if you're here, maybe you're even watching in the line right now, we're ready for you. We're ready for you. And also, of course, you can watch it on the live stream.
That's right. And there are loads of people waiting outside that door right now. Now, Tracey, you've seen this in years past. When those doors open, it's a flood of people coming in here,
That's right. So this is my third year doing this. First year I was told about the flood of people coming in, everybody running to get seats, and I thought, you're all exaggerating. It is exciting.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host for SolidWorks World 2019, Tracey Wilson.
Oh, thank you. Good morning, SolidWorks community. How you feeling? Let's get things started by welcoming CEO Giampaolo Bassi. Okay, so I guess GP is still having breakfast right now.
Yes, Tracey.
Oh, wait a minute. Actually, I think I see him right there. Did everyone have an amazing time at our special event last night? Oh, yes. I know I did. Lots of music, food, drink, all that good stuff. Apparently, there were armadillo races. I don't know. I didn't see them, but rumor has it that's a thing that happened last night. Now, we are going to do something a little bit different, and we are going to highlight some of the entrepreneurs who are also another important part of our SolidWorks community. We started today by talking about the theme of this year's conference, Where Possibility Takes Form. And this is a topic our keynote speaker knows incredibly well. So if you've ever bought lunch from a food truck or bought something for a small business, you've probably used Square. Square are those tiny credit card readers that are changing the way small businesses do business. Our keynote speaker is the man behind this revolution. You're fantastic. Thank you. One more round of applause for Jim McKelvey. Get out your phones, pull up those agendas. It's time to head on to the sessions. Breakout start promptly at 10:30 a.m. and remember to rate the sessions on the app. Oh, I know. What? Oh, you want one of these? You're wondering where to get this, aren't you? Well, you can pick up your backpack at the Partner Pavilion in booth 333. That is in the back of the Partner Pavilion, just next to the shop floor. We will see you tonight at the reception at 5:30 p.m. Have an amazing day. We'll see you later. Thank you.